Welcome back to another video, people, and today I'm gonna make suck. Some of you already know what is suck. Well, some of you don't know, and these are my ingredients: syrup, the flavor is pineapple and ginger, and lime. I'm gonna squeeze some lime into it. Some people don't use lime while some use. Suck I'm a long time juice, because when me used to go basic school, a lady by the name of Miss Yuna, may her soul rest in peace. And a little Miss Yuna sucks up me by them the time that I wish Miss Yuna did and my granny we all the sucks up there sweet. And me tell you about it. I am going to pour out my syrup now. Like how it is summertime now, and now is the right time to make them, for the children them love it. So let me do my little tasting to see if it is fresh. I don't think it's fresh, that's it. I don't want it too sweet. So I'm going to put them, I'm going to bag them out now. And when you make suck, you can use anything you want to make suck. If you don't want to use syrup, you can use all fruit. If you make fruit juice, you can use it. It doesn't really matter. And this is how I pour it into the bag. So this is it, people. I finally finished bag them out now. So these are the size. This is the size bag that I use, 3x7. If you want bigger suck, you can buy the bigger bags, but I rather these small ones. After a few hours of waiting, after I put them in the freezer, this is the finished product that I have. It's so lovely. I'm if it's telling about it. Really delicious, and they're very refreshing. And for me, these are like a substitute for bag juice. So instead of buying the bag juice, you buy your syrup, whatever you want to use, make it, because making suck is optional. So you can use whatever you want. I've used the Kool-Aid. I have used the Kool-Aid before, and the Kool-Aid one are really nice. For me, I rather the Kool-Aid. The Kool-Aid suck remind me of Miss Yuna suck. Basic school days, right there, so I can't remember. I know Miss Yuna suck them did so nice. So so these are the summer buns. The time is extremely hot now. So you can make these at home for the children. They will enjoy it. They will love it. Because I tell you, time too hot. And for those who have never tried making suck before, you can go ahead and give it a try. Or let me know in the comment section if you are going to give it a try. If you make it before, you can also let me know. And if you are going to give it a try, you can let me know in the comment section. So, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you let me know in the comment section if you are going to give it a try, or you have make it before, or you used to buy it when going to school back in the days. So stay blessed, you all. Thanks for the new subscribers, and thanks for everyone who is watching my video. Thanks for everyone who is watching my videos. Thanks a lot. And I hope you guys will continue to stay with me on my YouTube journey. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Peace out.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
How it tastes?
Good.
Give him the thumbs up, Jaden.
Get a thumbs up.
It's very good.